So hello everyone, it's me Ankita Mehta and you're watching Beginner Archives, and today's video is all about drawing a female face, and here I'm using the reference image of beautiful South Indian actress Samantha, and she's really very beautiful. So let's get started. Before this, if you are new in my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon as well, and you can also follow me on Instagram. The link is in my description box and in my comment section as well, and let's get started. So the first step is drawing eyes. So first of all, try to draw the outlines properly. For that you can use any method like grid method or Lumi's method or freehand method. It doesn't matter at all, okay? So here I'm using charcoal pencil of Piano brand, and its link is in the description below and you can check it out. So while drawing the eyes, you should always keep in mind that try to make the pupil darker than iris, or pupil is the darker dot like structure in the middle of the eyes, and the iris is the lesser darker regions around the pupil. And add highlights on the iris portion for making it look much more realistic, and for adding highlights you can use white gel pen or whitener. Now try to make the eyelashes little bit curvier instead of drawing them straight for making them look much more realistic. Now shade the eyelids, and for the groove in the eyelids make it darker and blend it using blending stump, and make its surrounding little bit lighter by using the Tombow eraser. And use makeup brush or tissue paper for blending the area or skin around the eyes, and don't forget to blend after adding each and every layer, okay? It will make your skin look much more smoother and shinier. Now draw the eyebrows using charcoal pencil and keep the pencil sharp so that the hair of the eyebrow can look much more distinct. And after adding the hairs or after shading the eyebrow, you can blend it using the makeup brush, and after that you can use Tombow eraser for making it even more distinct and much more hair-like structures. And follow the same steps for the second eye as well, and use Tombow eraser for adding highlights and blending stump for blending the smaller areas or minute areas, okay? Now the second step is shading the skin. So here I'm shading the forehead portion, and first of all I'm adding the first layer for that, and I'm using B grade pencil for adding first layer and trying to preserve the highlights, like the region where the highlight exists. I'm not shading even a single layer over there. And after adding the first layer, I'm blending it using makeup brush, or you can use tissue paper for that. If you are just struggling with getting that smoother skin, just try to use tissue paper and you will get that smoother skin, okay? Now I'm adding the second layer using 2B grade pencil, and after adding each and every layer I'm blending it using the makeup brush. So you can also use the makeup brush for that, okay? Now the third step is drawing the nose. First of all, mark the darker region of the nose, and you can use 2B grade pencil for that. And now shade the overall portion using 2B grade pencil or B grade pencil, and keep it like much more lighter than the darker regions, okay? And after that you can use makeup brush for blending purpose or tissue paper for that, so it will give a smoother texture to the nose, okay? And for the darker regions I'm using a blending stump for blending purpose, okay? Now the fourth step is adding highlights on the cheek. So here I'm shading around the cheeks, cheekbone, and keeping the emerged portion of the cheekbone blank as highlight. And I'm using B grade pencil for the first layer and 2B grade pencil for the second layer. So you can add multiple layers and increase the grades according to the skin tone, okay? And after adding each and every layer, I'm blending using makeup brush, or you can use tissue paper for that. Now the fifth step is drawing lips. Okay, and for that add first layer using B grade pencil, and you can easily observe that like during the whole process I'm using B grade pencil for the first layer every time, for the skin as well, and for the eyes, and for the nose, or for the lips as well. Okay, and keep the lip group darker, and you can use 4B grade pencil for making it darker. And now I'm shading the skin around the lips, and for that I'm also using the B grade pencil for the first layer and then 2B grade pencil for the second layer, and I'm blending after adding each and every layer. Okay, and now you can just add the second layer using the 2B grade pencil, and the third layer using the 4B grade pencil. The 4B grade pencil is much more darker, and it is used for giving the lips much more depth and much more density. Okay, and you can easily observe that I'm just trying to preserve the highlights from the beginning. Instead of shading the whole lips, I'm just preserving the highlights, and I'm not using the eraser, or I'm not using the white gel pen that much. So try to do the same, and it will make your lip look much more realistic, or your skin look much more realistic. Okay, so try to use multiple blending tools for blending purpose, like cotton wool or tissue paper or makeup brush, for making the skin look much more smoother and shinier. So the sixth and the last step is drawing hair, and here I'm using charcoal pencil for drawing hair, and you can just also use charcoal pencil or graphite pencil, depends on your preference. Okay, so try to draw the hair much more distinct, and for that you should do the line practice more for getting the control of your hand. And try to use the makeup brush or any kind of brush for blending the charcoal, because it will help to blend the charcoal in a better way. Okay, and I'm just using the Tombow eraser for drawing the extra hair and the white hairs and the highlighted hairs. Okay, and the material detail is in the description below, and this is the final results. So hope this video is helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.